In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw funds from eToro Money to your bank account. 1. Open the eToro Money app on your device. 2. Select the Payments option under the Cash tab within the app. 3. Either select the existing account you want to transfer money to or add a new payee if the recipient account is not already set up. 4. Specify the amount you wish to transfer from eToro Money account to your bank account. Next, click Continue to proceed with the transfer. Enter any required reference information and then click Send. You will receive a confirmation screen indicating that the transfer has been initiated. While most payments are processed immediately, it's possible for payments to take up to 2 hours in some cases. And by following these steps, you can efficiently withdraw funds from your eToro investment account to your eToro Money account and then transfer them to your bank account as needed. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.